Hello, Cruising World. Mick the Suit Guy with you. It's Monday, and Monday is Tips Day. And this is week 2 of Rob and Levetta's tips. I have my casualish suit on. I will be honest, I forgot to say this last week. I'm just too lazy. This does have a bow tie. Could be asked to put it on. Ooh! Am I allowed to say that? I said that in karaoke or something similar, and I got a scolding because it was PG only and I couldn't say that word. So I apologise if that offended anybody. It wasn't meant to, but it's the way it goes. So we did 4 last week. We got 1, 2, 3 this week, and I thought I had a 4th one on my phone, and I just looked, and I think I've done them all. So I'll just make something up if I need it. But hopefully these 3 will get us through. All right, Robert and Levetta. I would like to go back and repeat the first words that they said last week. I think it's only fair because the first paragraph was, "Hi Mick, I have to say first off, it was a pleasure meeting Julie and you. You two are very down to earth and great people to talk to." Ah. I'm not crying, I've just got something in my eye. Nobody says nice things to me anymore, especially... Alright, number 5. If you are in a Facebook page for your cruise, make sure to check the events tab for things that may interest you during the cruise. Sometimes there are a lot of events planned, so make sure you scroll to the bottom and click load more. This will take you to page 2 of the events if there are that many. Also, if someone plans an event, such as slot pools, for multiple days, but they put it under the first day, it will be moved to the past events tab once the first day has passed. Okay, that last bit threw me a little bit. Who would do a slot pull on day 1? I don't know. Let me read that again. If someone plans an event such as slot pools for multiple days, but they put it under the first day, it will be moved to the past events tab once the first day has passed. Are you saying that they mistakenly put it on day 1 when they meant to put it on a different date? So check the past events tab in case in the description it says it's in a few days. Detective Clouseau here. That took a bit of working out, not gonna lie. I think I got there. Basically, don't give up on the past events tab because it may have been put on the wrong date. Don't want to miss out. And yeah, there are a lot of events on the Facebook. Some of them I just don't understand, but each to their own. You know, I'm not into a lot of those events. There's only events I'm really going to do are bar crawls and slot pools. That's about it. Now, I do remember many years ago now, I actually joined a Facebook group. Normally, I only do Facebook groups for my own cruises. I don't join the other ones. I did a bar crawl and supposed to have 44 people show up. Do you know how many people showed up that weren't my friends? None. Not a one. A lot of planning goes into these events, I'll have you know. Because I like doing a card game. I had packs of cards, I bought extra packs, I had everything. I bought change, because we charge $5 a person. Not supposed to do that, who cares? And stuff like that. And nobody showed up. So if you do say you're going to go to these events, please show up. Because people do put a lot of effort into doing these. And you think these slot pools that, oh yeah, someone's just doing it to get all these points on their card. Well, you don't get that many points. You really don't. Because I did one once when we went on our 20th anniversary cruise we did. And there was like 25, 30 just of our close friends. And we did a slot pool and I put my card in or whatever. I got next to no points. I think I got like 400 points. And that was a $25 slot pool for 25 people. You know, so you don't get that much out of it. Trust me. Although, on my last cruise, I want to add, thanks to Sean and Kelly, I got 1,308 points playing free card poker. I don't have any casino offers yet, but I'm waiting. Yeah, so please, if you say you're going to do an event, go and double check. That's my rant for the day. Number 6. Recently, on the horizon, Carnival is doing breakfast bagels at the pizza shop. If your ship has these, I would suggest trying them while they are free. We all know Carnival. We all know Carnival. And I'm sure it's just a matter of time before they charge for the bagels. I believe there were 5 options. We had breakfast there multiple days and would rate them a 4 out of 5. Couple of things I'll say on that. Absolutely, yes. They were very good. We enjoyed them. We did eat them like pretty much every day. I think we got them for breakfast, especially as Rob says, or Levetta. I don't know who's making that post. While they were free. You know they're going to start charging for them soon. We also noticed when we went back a few weeks later, they were already much smaller. Like half the size. So, yeah, it's coming, people. Enjoy them while you can. If they're free, it ain't lasting for long with Carnival. But yeah, they were actually decent. Very decent. So yeah, we enjoyed them. And I would rate them 4 out of 5 as well. Although with this, it's very hard for me to eat. Cut them into tiny bits. Tiny, tiny bits. Took me forever to eat one. Ugh, the joys. The joys of trigeminal neuralgia. Look it up if you haven't heard about it. I'm not going to go over it again. But yeah, I'm hurting right now. And the last one. This is more... Oh, by the way, good choice on flavours on those as well. Lots of different ones. Number 7. This is more of a pet peeve than a tip. If you are with friends or a group, remember you are not the only people on the ship. Do not stand in doorways or block stairs to have your daily conversation. Kindly move to an area where you are not impeding the flow of traffic. Got you again. Kindly move to an area where you are not impeding the flow of traffic. You need an H in that where there, Rob or Levetta, whoever did that. You need an H. Got lazy at the end. I can see you were checking everything all the way up there. I give you a pass on buses to an extent, but not that one. So yes, let me read that one more time, because when I see these errors, I pause in my head to make sure they're correct. And remember, I have a very low level of education because I left school when I was 15. This is more of a pet peeve than a tip. If you're with friends or a group, remember you are not the only people on the ship. Do not stand in doorways or block stairs to have your daily conversation. Kindly move to an area where you are not impeding the flow of traffic. Thanks, Mick, for all you do, and thank Julie for us too. Isn't that very nice? And to that point, I couldn't agree more. And I said this on a recent one, and if I didn't, this will tie into the tip I wanted to do, but I didn't. For me, the worst place that happens, the worst, well, number one, it's people sitting on the stairs on their phone. That's not a group. But why do people feel the need to sit on the stairs on their phone, playing games, blocking, whatever? We're not going to go there. Then there's the people that walk sighted. We're not going to go there. But my big one, as this pain is getting bad, so we're going to end it in a minute. The big one for me is the dining room. The number of people that don't even know or could be bothered to check in on the hub, have a drink, wait till they're called when their table is ready, and then go down is mind-numbing. There's so many people that feel like they have to go and check in with the maitre d'. If you've got groups of 10 or more, you have to, unless you pre-arranged it. We're talking your time here. We're not talking early or late. But if you've got a group of 4, 2, whatever, check in on the hub, hang out somewhere, go get a drink. You don't have to be alcoholic. You can get a Coke now, because we don't like Pepsi, do we, everybody? Just chill in an open area. When it's your turn to go down, you'll get a message. You've got 10 minutes to make it there. Easy. But when I go down there, why do I always have to fight through dozens of people that aren't, the table's not ready? Why are they standing there? That's my number one new pet peeve on a cruise ship. The dining room. I'm not going to say ignorance, because I think it's more laziness. A lot of times I say ignorance, but on this one, I'm going with laziness. Because you couldn't be bothered to check in on the hub, which takes 2 seconds. It's not hard. Even I can do it. And again, no education here. If I can do it, you can do it. That's all I'm saying. All right, and good. No time needed for me to do another tip. I think we fit that. I'd just like to say again that they started this with, I have to say first off that it was a pleasure. I'm going to leave Julie out of it. I have to say it was a pleasure meeting you. You are very down to earth and a great person to talk to. And at the end, thanks Mick for all you do. What can I say? If you ever see me on a cruise ship, I'm not hard to find. Please come and say hello. I do not bite. Have a beer with me. If you want to have a different drink, that's fine. I love to meet new people. We can sit and chat. Subscribe. Hit the bell. Send me questions. Send me tips. Getting close to 200. This is getting there. Who's going to be the magic number? I told you this the other week. I'm going to give you my top 10 tips. It's going to be a bonus. But I am going to read the 200th person's tips out, and that person is going to get a prize, and it's going to be a decent prize. Not going to be anything nasty. It's not going to be this. That ain't going anywhere. Won't be this. Nope. Certainly not going to be my signed alchemy from Nikola Ristic. That's his writing. We call him Mikola. That's it in Serbian, apparently. Because even though I didn't do it, he still gives me a thing, because I don't drink liquor much. 1 liquor drink a day, that's all I get. And it's always Pernod and blackcurrant in the alchemy. That's it. Don't try and get me on liquor. It ain't going to work. Ask me why if you see me, and I'll tell you the story. Then you'll understand. There is a reason. I will see you later, Cruising World. Send me your tips. Well, thanks for watching. I truly appreciate it. If you haven't yet subscribed, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell. You'll get notifications when future videos come out. And also you'll see to the left and right of me there are some more of my videos you can watch. Also you can join my lovely little channel here. Hit that join button next to the subscribe button on my main page. We have 3 different levels you can join at. And if you join at the highest level, I will name a suit after you. And every time I wear that suit, I'll have your name in the pocket. I will sing your name to the rafters, maybe even at karaoke.